and we hope that you enjoy as much as we do creating this. So let me just start off with the introduction of HR Speaks, the club that has organized HR Lit Fest. HR Speaks is HR College's official monthly magazine. Created in January 2018, the magazine gives the college students a platform to share their memories and personal experiences with each other. With various sections such as fictional, non-fictional, poetry corner, and much more, it encourages submissions from students across all streams and courses. HR Speaks is also the organizing team behind HR College's Literary Arts Festival. Roma, could you please play the HR Speaks video?
Just a moment, guys. Setting up my speaker.
क्योंकि उनके तरफ से तो थोड़ी ऐसा होगा. It's by us.
Roma, play the sound, right? Play the sound. I can't hear the sound. Share computer sound.
Roma, we can't hear. A hearty welcome to all of our participants, audience, and our favorite judge, Mr. Yatin. I would now like Diti to introduce Yatin sir officially.
Being a first-generation rapper from B-Town, he has been a well-known voice amongst the underground hip-hop circles of Mumbai. After appearing in reality shows like Entertainment Ke Liye Kuch Bhi Karega and India's Got Talent, he has also held the microphone at various radio shows. Turned into an MCE, he has been the voice of international street dance championships, namely Indian Hip Hop Dance Championship, Power of Desi Streets, MTV Vivid Shuffle, Channel V Fest, Feel, etc. Being a PhD in mass communication, his research work on hip hop has been published in international journals across the globe. In the year 2018, having knack of the hip hop artists and being interested to study hip hop as an academic subject, he designed certificate course called Introduction to Hip Hop Studies, which was accepted and declared as an academic course by University of Mumbai. In 2019, he was awarded the MC of the Year at the first ever Hip Hop Community Awards at India. We present to you MC Yatin at HR Lit Fest 2020.
I think Yatin sir has some technical issue. I can't.
Okay, so let's just start off. Yatin sir, can you hear us?
He's not there in the meeting. I think he's facing some issues.
Okay, we'll wait for a minute.
Did he like hear his intro? Like, I have to sing it again.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah,
Uh,
Shri.
yeah, I had a few doubts. So when we talk about solo performances, like, is the beat going to be played by you, on which we are going
No,
to
it's
freestyle,
up
or
to
like,
you. It's up to you if you want to play a beat in the background.
so I can't freestyle without a beat as well?
No, no, of course you
That's fine.
can. If it's yeah, you can freestyle and also you can play a beat of your own or an instrument. It's up to you.
And how am I supposed to do that? Like, because I'm using my earphones, how am I supposed to play a beat and rap over that?
So you can play via your phone, right? You're logged in via PC. So just play it on your phone and be able to hear it.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, and are there any language constraints when it comes down to, like, is it
You
supposed to
can
be
rap
Hindi or
in
like?
Hindi. Yeah, you can rap in Hindi and English, but of course, no offensive words, and of course, you know all of that, right? Yeah.
Kashish Sarah
Sorry,
joined.
Alright, guys, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let's roll. Kashish,
So, what did you hear last?
nothing. The problem
Okay, we'll
is,
just start.
see, we all are growing together. The problem is, I'm having network issues right now. Do you see this wire behind me? That's a support to the internet. Because my regular light has gone, I'm operating on a generator. Okay. So it's just a request to all you amazing rappers and MCs out here. If at all I get disconnected, I'll be back only in 5 minutes, not more than that. Okay, I have paid my Adani bill. Okay, and I'm on point. All right, so let's roll. So let's go.
Okay, so, sir, since you missed this, we'll just quickly introduce you again. So,
Okay.
first of all, hearty welcome to you. Thank you for being with us today. We're really, really glad that you are. Also, guys, all the participants, we're really, really glad that y'all could actually come in and showcase your talent out here. This is the first time that we're actually organizing a rap event in a literary arts festival. So, let's just not waste time more. And Diti, let's introduce Yatin, sir.
Yeah, sure. Being a first generation rapper from B Town, he has been a known voice amongst the underground hip hop circles of Mumbai. After appearing in reality shows like Entertainment Ke Liye Kuch Bhi Karega and India's Got Talent, he has also held the microphone at various radio shows. Turned into an MC, he has been the voice of international street dance championships, namely Indian Hip Hop Dance Championship, Power of Desi Streets, MTV Vivid Shuffle, Channel V Fest, Feel, etc. Being a PhD in mass communication, his research work on hip hop has been published in international journals across the globe. In the year 2018, having knack of the hip hop artists and being interested to study hip hop as an academic subject, he designed a certificate course, that is Introduction to Hip Hop Studies, which was accepted and declared as an academic course by University of Mumbai. In 2019, he was awarded the MC of the Year at the first ever Hip Hop Community Awards at India. We present to you MC Yatin at HR Litfest 2020.
Hey guys, what up? Kafi lit. I hope the event gets along as lit as all these MCs are. And that's all. Like, even if you would have said MC Ethan is fine because uh, I don't know, like, if these rappers know me because I'm not so spicy as Mirchi. So that's the way it is. But let's go then. All right, let's roll. Let's roll.
Okay, so let's just start off with round one. As the rounds go on, I will tell you all how the round is supposed to be happening. So for the first one, you need to play your own original track. The time limit is 1 minute. Okay, Suhani, you will be keeping a track of the time. Suhani, please say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so we have arranged a list of performance numbers. It's according to your name, alphabetical wise. So let's start off. Okay, Akash Mahakse from the contingent Pixie, are you here?
Kashish, can I take a moment to say
Sure,
something
sure.
if you don't mind? All right. So
Sure.
all you amazing, lit volunteers and lit presidents, vice presidents, and core members and lit MCs out here. Okay. This is for all the MCs here. I would like to say that I would rather say it in Hindi. Do we have anyone rapping in Hindi today?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
अच्छा तो क्या करना है ना ब्रो अपने को है ना इवेंट लेट करने का है एकदम
एकदम
ओके
एकदम झक्कास.
हाँ एकदम लेट करने का है इन थोड़ी थोड़ा क्या है ना अपने को ध्यान रखना है कि सुपर पावर वुमेन है अपने रूम में पावर ऑफ गर्ल्स है सही बात है ना ब्रो
सही सही.
ओके उसके बाद हम लाइव जा रहे हैं अभी एचआर कॉलेज बड़ा कॉलेज है
Yes,
गॉट इट
yes.
So हमारे moment है and let's give it out to HR Lit Fest for having the hip hop community का some event with you guys because we are a smaller community growing together. Okay.
Exactly.
And bro अपना जो पहला round होगा pre-recorded pre-written round. Okay, जहाँ पे आपके जो ट्रैक्स होंगे -1 ट्रैक या बीट्स उस पे आप स्पेयर होगे रैप करोगे ऑलराइट ओके एंड दूसरा जो राउंड होगा वो फ्री स्टाइल होगा जहाँ पे आपको टॉपिक दिया जाएगा और आपको फिर जैसे ऑर्गेनाइजर्स कहेंगे उतने सेकंड से उतने मिनट के लिए ऑन द स्पॉट रैप करना है ठीक है आई होप जितने भी एमसीज एंड रैपर्स अपने भाई लोग हैं सब क्लियर है अपने साथ सॉर्टेड डाउट
Yeah, sir.
all right guys, so it's time for being lit. Let's be coffee lit. Let's go HR Lit Fest. Let's drop the mic.
Okay, guys, so let's start. I'll just brush up with the rules. No offensive words, no inappropriate language, and all of that. Of course, you're free to use Hindi and English or mix of both. It's up to y'all. If you want to use freestyle or any instrument beats in the background, yes, that's totally allowed. Up to you. Okay, I have prepared a performance list of all of your names in alphabetical wise. So let's just go according to that. As first at the first round is pre-written. It's a song that you've already written in the past. Time limit is 1 minute. So let's go. The first person is Akshay. Akshay, are you here? Okay. Akash, are you here? Okay, Akash also isn't here. Aman Makhijani.
Yes.
Yeah, are you here?
Yes,
Okay.
Kashish. Yeah.
You can start.
Go on.
One
Suhani,
moment.
start.
Let's just say 3, 2, 1 so that I can start at that moment. Okay.
Yeah. Suhani, just say 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1, start.
आज की दुनिया बड़ी अजीब है जो बुरा है वही सबके करीब है तो चलो मिल लेते हैं आज की दुनिया से या लेट्स स्टार्ट आज की दुनिया जरा हटके रेस में ना टिके तो मुंह पे फटके है ये सिर्फ अमीरों के लिए बनी है यहाँ सब कुछ बेटा मनी है पैसा है बहुत जब चाहिए बड़ी कार जब चाहिए लिफ्ट तो बोले इट्स टू फार या भी सबके हाथ में ही है जब जरूरत तो कोई साथ मत बोले टाइम नहीं है फुल लॉन्च हो तो लाइन बढ़ी है गर्लफ्रेंड बोला है तो बोले फट से छोड़ उसी को जिसके हाथ से खाया या जिस हाथ से खाया या सबका ईगो चौथे माले पे सब फंसे जैसे एक जाले में दो सारे होकर फेक है गिव नहीं अब एक है घर की जगह अब सब मॉल में टू फेस नहीं अब सब कॉल पे है या दिखा देता इन्हें माँ का ना बस पड़ी कैसा मेरा बाबू सोना कुछ चाहिए तो मांगे बाप से पैसा आवाज ऊंची वो भी कापे ऐसा रिस्पेक्ट इन्हें तो बस कहने को बैंक की गालियां जब घर बहने दो है या साइनिंग ऑफ आज की दुनिया बाय अमन माखीजानी फ्रॉम टीम यूनिकॉर्न
Okay, time up.
Give it out. MC Aman in the house, bro. Coffee lit, bro. All right,
Thank you so
let's
much,
go.
Aman.
थैंक यू सर
Okay, I would request others to please mute themselves and only when their turn comes, please unmute. Okay, so the next person we have Aniket Babban Singh from Contingent Dragon. Are you here?
Yes, I'm here. And I just want to say before starting, just a second, कि जो मेरा ये गाना है ठीक है अभी जो मैं परफॉर्म करने वाला हूँ ये 1 मिनट के ऊपर है बट मेरे को वार्न कर देना सो दैट या फिर अगर लगे तो कंटिन्यू करते हैं देखते हैं Let's see. चलो
Suhani, just say 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1, start.
स्टार्ट
Start.
ओके स्टार्ट या
Start.
प्यारा सा दिल और प्यारी सी बातें करके उसने मुझे छोड़ दिया, कैसे बताऊं, भटका मुसाफिर और भटका के बीच राह में मुझे तोड़ दिया। एक नहीं कहता हूँ मैं 100 दफा तू है बेवफा, तू है बेवफा, एक नहीं कहता हूँ मैं 100 दफा तू है बेवफा, तू है बेवफा। उम्र मेरी 16 थी और प्यार वाला सीन था, चोट लगी दिल पे थी तो दर्द बेहतरीन था। मैं तो अपना रूह उसके नाम कर चला था, मुझको क्या पता था वो तो जिस्म का शौकीन था। शक्ल से वो काली पर दिल था उसका गोरा, चिकनी रोड के बगल में जैसे कोई नाला। क्या बताऊं यार मुझको कतरा कतरा तोड़ के मिल गया कोई दूसरा तो मुझको छोड़ डाला। हर खुशी थी संग काश ढंग से वो रहली होती थी, कोई जो प्रॉब्लम बस एक दफा कहली होती। चुप रहा मैं जैसे गलती सब मेरी हो, सीधा साधा जान के वो हंस के मेरी ले रही हो। ना बनी सरफ ज्यादा दुनिया है हरामी, जो भी दिल लगाए उसके लिखी बदनामी। क्या बताऊं यारो, क्या बताऊं यारो, एक नहीं कहता मैं 100 दफा तू है बेवफा, तू है बेवफा।
Time up.
एक नहीं कहता हूँ मैं 100 दफा तू है बेवफा, तू है बेवफा। मम्मी पापा वाला प्यार बस टिकाऊ है, वरना कल यहाँ सब कुछ बिकाऊ है। सपने तोड़ के अपनों को जो छोड़ के खुशियाँ मिटा दी मैंने।
all right, yo bro, full flow में, हाँ full flow में।
चले मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था क्या चल रहा है।
Okay, just a moment. Aniket, just a moment, and the organizers to keep a track on any abusive words which are used. I'm keeping my track on it. All right, let's go.
Thank you so much, Aniket. Okay, so next we have Aniket Kumar Singh from Kappa. Are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, let's go.
So tell me if I'm audible.
Yeah, we can hear you. Others, please mute
Just tell
yourself.
me when my time is over, okay? Just after a minute, just tell me. So this song is written by me, and I'll just summary. Okay, let's go.
3, 2, 1, start.
Yo, let me show. I'm back with my track, with my flow. My hair's gonna hit me, they're gonna shout like crow. My rap is enough to give you a blow. Yo, it's me, N-I-K-E-T. You know what? I'm just back on my track. Many people in this place try to be the king, but the ace is back. You want a new kind of motivation? Let me bring a new kind of combination. How big I'ma start my flow. Best of luck to me, my bro, let's go. Everyone start the journey with an O. Most of the time just run for success and show. Many people in their life want a different kind of emotion. One must be loyal and love it full devotion. You must work hard, get success and get promotion, bro. Let me tell you a fact. Why to be a sea when you can be an ocean? Why to be a sea when you can be an ocean? My name is KT and I'm quite brave. My words are faster like oceanic wave. You dream small, you're gonna be a sea, cause me, I won't give up. Ocean is what I'll be. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, time up.
Let's go. Good one, bro. Aniket Singh, good one.
You sir.
It was spit like fire, bro. Let's go. Up next.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Aniket. Next, we have Anika Ashwarya from IM. Are you here? Anika, are you here? Okay, she isn't. Let's go to the next. Next, we have G. Rajul from IM. Are you here?
Yes.
Okay, do we have Harsh Dikshit?
Kashish, she responded.
Rajul is here, Kashish.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. This song is for mom. My mom. माँ, ओ मेरी माँ, माँ, ओ मेरी माँ, माँ, ओ मेरी माँ, माँ, ओ मेरी माँ, माँ.
Just to interrupt, Yatin sir is not in the meeting, so if you could just wait for a minute.
Yeah, I could.
So sorry, I think he's facing some technical issues.
Okay, Raju, you'll actually have to do your performance again because Yatin sir called me up saying that he has got a power cut. So, we'll have to do that again. Just wait until he joins.
Okay.
Okay, so let me just call out the names for people who have registered. Just tell me if you're here, okay? So then I don't waste time calling out your name. So, Anika, Aishwarya, are you here? Akash, Harsh Dikshit, Karan Khetan, Naman Jain.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Ripudaman Shah, Ronak.
Yeah, trying to join.
Can you just tell me your full name? Karan Khetan, are you here?
Yeah.
Okay, talk a little louder, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Ripudaman, are you here? Ronak, Priyanka Selvi, Sanchi.
I'm here.
Okay. Ronak, I'm calling out your name for the last time. Are you here?
Sir has joined, no?
Okay.
Okay, I just want to know if I'm like clearly audible.
I'm so sorry, guys. So sorry. Network issues. My bad. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a request. Like Kashish, whenever you are going for the next contestant, just call for me. I'll say yes. If you don't hear my
Sure.
voice, think that I've disconnected. I'll join back. So sorry.
Sure.
All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. Can we make up the mood? Yeah, just give it out for all the rappers in the house. Yeah, come on. All right,
Come
let's
on,
see
guys.
who's going on next. The thing is
Yeah.
that this is actually a virtual thing. When you go on with the street style, when we are actually doing out this in underground circles, we don't start until and unless the audience is cheering up. All right, it's a free show. You are having all these underground rappers out here. Okay, let's roll it. Let's be kafi lit, bro. HR it is. Let's go.
Okay, so Raju, you can start with your performance now.
Yeah. This song is for mom. This song is for my mom. I'll start. Ma, ओ मेरी माँ, माँ, ओ मेरी माँ, माँ, ओ मेरी माँ, माँ, ओ मेरी माँ, माँ, तू हंस दे तो हंस दे ये सारा जहां, माँ, तू रो दे तो रोने लगे दुनिया, माँ, तू ही हंसी, तू ही खुशी, तू ही मेरी दुनिया, माँ, तू ही हंसी, तू ही खुशी, तू ही मेरी दुनिया. So come on everyone, let's cheer for माँ. माँ, तू ही हंसी, तू ही खुशी, तू ही मेरी जहां.
Time up.
All right. Nice try. Give it out. Give it out. Rajul in the house. Good try, bro. Good
Okay.
try. Let's go. Up next.
Thank you, Rajul. Karan Khetan, have you joined in? Okay. Naman, you're up next. Naman Jain. Karan, if you're here, Karan, if you're here, unmute and talk.
I am here.
Yeah. Closer to the mic. Yeah. Now.
Yeah, of course, closer. So, it's my turn?
Yeah, we can hear you better now.
Okay.
Okay, let's start. Suhani, timer, please.
Yes.
Yatin
Three.
sir, you're connected, right? I think Yatin sir is facing connectivity issues. We'll have to wait.
The screen is frozen, I guess.
Karan, it's actually your turn only, but we're waiting for Yatin sir. He's having connectivity issues.
Okay.
Also, Anirudh, can you just do me a favor? Akash, Anika, Harsh, and Hriday, Kritika, all these people aren't here. So, in case they'll join in later, even Ripudaman, just let me know, then I'll include their names. Anirudh. Okay, Saza, can you just make a note of that? Thanks.
Sir is back.
Sir has joined now.
All right. Now there wouldn't be any network issue because Adani has brought back the light. I'm no more on the support of generator. Okay. So sorry again. Digital India सब wait कर रहे हैं. अच्छे दिन आ ही रहे थोड़े थोड़े करके धक्का start में. All right, bro, Karan. So sorry, bro. Apologies. Give it out for Karan in the house. Let's go. Let's go.
So, sir, I'm
3, 2,
my
1.
topic for today is ragging. Okay. I'm not a rapper or something, but then also my first try. एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ तुम लोगों से. आज मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगले और पैसा है. तुम लोगों के पास क्या है? औकात. उसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं. तुम्हारे जैसे लोग मेरे जेब में रहते हैं. सलाम ठोक के सेट करते हैं. सबका पूरा टाइम आता है, चाहे वो हर्षद मेहता या विजय माल्या. मेरा फ्यूचर मैं बनाऊंगा. तुम्हारे जैसे लोगों के भटकने नहीं दूंगा. मेरा दिल है सोने का, तुम्हारा है गटर का. मेरी इज्जत का लेवल तुम नाप नहीं सकते हो. तुम्हारा टाइम आ गया है. तुम्हारा टाइम गया और अब उनका टाइम आ गया है. तुम्हारे लिए हमारे पास फौज है. और तुम्हारे पास कुछ नहीं। बस।
Good job, guys. Give it out. Give it out. Not bad. First time, bro.
Thank
अरे
you.
जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ first time
नहीं,
होता
अरे मैंने एक बार YouTube पे डाला था,
है।
बट
हाँ।
तब मैं 7th स्टैंडर्ड में था, लाइक बहुत साल हो गए, 6-7 साल हो गए।
अरे क्या बात है। No, no, nothing bad, bro. Like now you have nearly, so many people watching you. Can you give it out for Karan? Yeah, come on, get your hands together, man. Let's go. Let's go. Okay.
Wow,
who's
Karan,
next?
awesome. Too good, bro.
Thank you so much, Karan. Next, we have Naman Jain.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, so hello everyone. I'm gonna sing this song called ख्वाबों की उड़ान. So let's do it. ख्वाब जो इन पलकों में छिपे ढूंढ रहे अपने रास्ते नए बंद आंखों से जो दिखते हैं बिना जिए ये जीते हैं हर पल सोचूं मैं करूंगा क्या आगे इस कीचड़ में नहीं मुझे हाथ पैर मारने उड़ान लूं इतनी लंबी के रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से बैक ना कभी हो हम भी मम्मी पापा करते कितने सैक्रिफाइस चाहते हमारी लाइफ हो ऑलवेज वेरी नाइस जाने खाए उन्होंने कितने ठोकरे हैं आखिरी आशा है अब उनके लॉक करिए पसीना भाई जैसे समंदर मिडिल क्लास है ये एक भवंडर फसाइज बड़े भवंडर के अंदर दम इतना करना कभी नहीं सरेंडर अमीर और गरीब में ज्यादा नहीं अंतर एक देखे नीचे दूसरा ऊपर निरंतर ख्वाब जो इन पलकों में छिपे हैं ढूंढ रहे अपने रास्ते नए बंद आंखों से जो दिखते हैं बिना जिए ये जीते हैं आंखें हैं छोटी सपनों से भरी हौसले बुलंद उम्मीदों पे खड़ी बड़े हम आगे जैसे कोई तीर प्रॉब्लम सभी कर
Time
देंगे
up.
चीर प्रॉब्लम सभी कर देंगे चीर प्रॉब्लम सभी कर देंगे चीर
Naman, please stop.
Time up.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. काफी lit, bro. Let's go. Who's
Thank you,
next?
Naman.
Thank you, sir.
Ripudaman, are you here? Okay, Ronak, Priyanka, Sanchi.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay. Am I audible properly?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Public, वनक्कम नमस्ते. ये लड़की चेन्नई से लगातार मैं प्रयास करूं दिन या रात मैं लिखती रहूं बस पन्ने पन्ने पर कला ही रहे सुबह उठूं जीव या मरूं हिप हॉप का कल नहीं आज बनूं सारी जंग में खुद लड़ूं माँ बाप का बस एक ही सपना मैं अपने पैरों पे खड़ूं घड़ी की कांटों की तरह ये लड़की कहीं रुकेगी नहीं हीरे जैसे पत्थर की तरह ये लड़की कहीं टूटेगी नहीं मकसद मंजिल सब देख लेना काफी है दिल जीत लेना इंग्लिश बार्स नेगेटिव वाइब्स आई एम टेकिंग प्लीज स्टेप बैक Queen in the making, people out here, please stop hoping. Here, Charlotte Fest, title I'm taking, 18-year-old girl in the town. Ask her mom, she was born with a crown. Haters back off, just wait and watch. I'll be on the top and you'll be down. Ek din, ruk jao, ek din ye insaan hip-hop mein naam kamayega. Apne time ko banao, beta, apna time nahi aayega. Thank you.
Awesome. Sir, you're on mute.
No offenses. I was just waiting for some Femsi to come out and hit out that lit and make this fest kafi lit. You got it, bro. Good job, man. Good job.
It was so refreshing to see a girl rap so nicely. Thank you so much for coming on board with us. Okay.
My
so next
pleasure,
we
pleasure. Thank you, thank you.
So next we have Sheel. Sheel, are you here?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Hold on. Yeah. Hi guys. So yeah. So wait a second. I just set up my beat. Yeah. So when do I start?
Okay, I'll give you a 3.
Can you am I audible properly?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Can you hear my beat?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Perfect.
it's on.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, start.
I'm counting my blessing, counting my blessing, counting my blessing. Everyone guessing, I ain't confessing. What's my next move? So many things in my life that I can't do. Days are numbered, leave your comfort, feed yourself and move. I'm counting my blessing, counting my blessing, counting my blessing. Everyone guessing, I ain't confessing. What's my next move? So many things in my life that I can't do. Days are numbered, fuck your comfort, feed your ways and move. I'm counting my blessing, knowing that I'm blessed enough to get all that I need. If you don't wanna support me, then why you here? Just leave my way. I know it's surprising, but then I painted the shit's unpaid. No way imitating nobody, my words and my chorus, they're all tailor-made. Special and slow, never hate is the reason why I never ever got laid. Don't really got nothing, no high yet, I don't wanna glorify Bonnie and Clyde. My destination's outside, but I know it's not really far away. Nobody believe in me, but maybe I'm next age again, Lil Wayne. Everyone flexing, everyone texting, don't know what they wanna do. I don't know about y'all, but I ain't a fraud. No value for fake applause. I do my thing, don't want the crowd.
Time up.
For my word.
Time up.
On bars, bro. On bars. On bars.
Thank you so much.
Good job, bro. Let's go. Let's go.
Thank you so much. Next, we have Shlok. Shlok, are you here?
I'm here.
Okay, let's go.
Hold up 1 second. I'm doing it without beat and I'm spitting in English. So, okay, I'm ready to begin. Okay. 1 minute of, okay, hold up. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute of spitting about my passion. You need to have your arms crossed and get yourself relaxed in a war zone where you witness me in action. Nobody has been and will never be my distraction. Yo, cause I ride like a pro with the passion of rap, having my rhymes being echoed. And with the pen on board, ghetto culture in my blood. Yeah, I live by that code. Check this, 2017, the first introduction to hip hop. And I already made this assumption. The lyrical beast which within me had been lurking sparks up on the mic and causes massive destruction. My flow is unstoppable like blood coming out of artery. Hard to be me with such preposterous monotony. Levels of my rhymes are beyond Socrates' philosophies. You on my radar, I'ma take you out with verbal archery. Listen, when I write these rhymes, they glisten. Talking ambition with passion and aggression. You are witnessing a human affirmation with so much dedication, who's chasing his aspirations as I impose a conglomeration of my composition with the narration that is out of frustration with my combination of anger and patience. I escape mental incarceration and seek my way to damnation. Thanks. Peace out.
Flow, bro. Flow. Good job, man. Keep up.
Thank you so
Thanks.
much. Next, we have Sitanshu. Sitanshu, are you here? Sitanshu. Okay, Vinisha. Vinisha, are you here? Okay, so I guess that's all for round one. Let me just call out the names of the people who, give me their names, but they aren't here. Let me just repeat it out. Akash, Anika, Harsh, Hriday, Karan Sampath, Kritika, Ripudaman, Ronak, Priyanka, Sitanshu, Vinisha. If any of y'all are here, then, just unmute yourself right now. Okay, so I guess that's all for round one because
All right. Kashish, I'll just call out these names, of all the performers who have been here. Just let me know. Firstly, guys, give it out for these amazing performers here. Many of them, came up for this first time. And, that is how we grow together. It's not, even if we have 5 rappers, we will battle each other and we are just battling for the culture. That's all good. Okay. So I'll just call out the names and Kashish, just let me know, if I miss out any.
Sure.
Aman, Aniket, his user ID is Aniket Kumar, Rajul, Karan, Naman, Sanchi, Sheel, and Shlok. That's it.
So there are 2 Anikets.
Yeah. There are 2.
Yeah.
Sorted. So before we go on to round number 2, all right, Kashish, if I can, with the permission of the LitFest team, if I can ask, see, round number 2 is going to be a freestyle round. मतलब हमको क्या करना है, हमको फ्रीस्टाइल स्पिट करना है. The topics would be given right now, right, Kashish? If I'm not wrong, already given.
No, sir, they haven't been given. It's gonna be on spot. So I'm gonna be calling out two names, and I'm gonna
All
be
right.
giving the
So you
topics
would
to
be
them.
all right. Sorted. So that's how we do it. आपको 1 minute दिया जाएगा. You would be given a minute. Correct me if I'm wrong with time limit. All right.
45
Okay.
seconds.
So you'll be
It's
getting
45 seconds.
all right. 45. You'll be given 45 seconds. All right. And आपको on the spot rap करना है जो भी आपको topic मिले. Okay. आपका flow, originality and spontaneity judge किया जाएगा इस पे. Okay. So these 3 would be the judging lines for it. Okay. Let's go, guys. काफी lit fest है. Round number 2. Let's roll.
Okay, so the rules remain the same, and most of you all have selected topics too. So let me just read it out. Aman and Aniket Babban Singh. Okay, both of you all will take 45 seconds right now on the timer, and I will give you all the topics together. Okay, Aman goes first, and Aniket Babban Singh goes second. And Aniket, you cannot take extra time when Aman is performing. That rule applies for everyone. You stop when 45 seconds get over, otherwise you'll be disqualified. Okay, so Aman, you selected the number 29 as your topic number, and your topic is ego. Aniket, you selected the number 6, and your topic is literature. So Suhani, say 3, 2, 1, and let them start. Please keep on, switch on your videos, okay, please.
Sorry, my topic is literature. Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Excuse me, my topic is literature, na?
Right.
Okay, cool.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, start.
I'm so missing that, voting and everything which actually happens in College Fest, because virtual hai, bro, and can't help it in that case. But I can feel it in the chat box. I can feel it in the chat box. If you can go through the chat box, you can see, feel that voting coming out. Let's go Karan, let's go Aniket, bro. Feel it, bro. That's the vibe. All right, let's go.
Okay, so Aman, are you ready to perform? The time is up.
One moment, just 1 moment. Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go. Can we start the timer? Because, that would be biased for
Kashish, they got 45 seconds to perform, right?
Right.
3, 2, 1, start.
Let's go.
ईगो आजकल सबका काफी हाई है, मदद मांगी तो बोले टाटा बाय बाय, थोड़ा बोलने पर इन्हें दिल पे लगे, आजकल तो भाई ना रह सके, सबने पहने हुए मुंह पे मास्क है, रिश्ते दिल से नहीं अब सिर्फ एक टास्क है, नफरतें इन्होंने कई सारी भरी दिल में, मजे से पबजी कह रहे किल में, अपने आप सिर्फ सो कॉल्ड अपने हैं, जो सीधा चले वो तो अब अपने हैं, टेढ़ा तो अब सबको चलना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि क्या करे. One moment, yeah. Sorry, I'm done with it.
Let's go. All right, time up.
Okay, thank you, Aman. Next we have Aniket. Aniket, switch on your video and start.
Yeah. Should I start?
Yeah,
start.
Okay. लिटरेचर के खातिर बन गया मैं शातिर, इन सब से करता मैं तुमको मुखातिर, और लिटरेचर की बात हो तो हिंदी, भाई अब हिंदी सुनो। हिंदी में बहुत लोगों का कहना था कि हर चीज अंग्रेजी होना चाहिए, तो सुनो, हिंदी ही सब कुछ और हिंदी ही कला है। फिर ये समाज पे आखिर कैसी ये बला है। मैंने ना 2 रोटी खाया है, हिंदी को जगाया है, देख भाई देख मैंने हिंदी को लाया है। और हिंदी ही सब कुछ और हिंदी ही कलम और हिंदी ही बैग है। हिंदी ही सब कुछ और हिंदी ही स्वैग है। और हिंदी के आगे कुछ नहीं, अब इसके आगे तुम मुझसे कुछ नहीं।
All right, all
Thank you
right,
so
all
much.
right. Let's go. Who's next?
So let's take the next 2 participants, Aniket Kumar Singh from Kappa and Raju from IMP. Okay, so Aniket Kumar Singh, you had selected the number 3. So your topic is racism, and Raju, your topic is COVID. Okay, so your time starts. Suhani, just tell
Yes, your time starts now. Time up.
Okay, Aniket Kumar Singh, you're up.
So let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, start.
8 May 2020, a guy named George Floyd died. After listening to that, Katie cried. Yeah, that was known as racism. I can talk about everything in guns. Yeah, my brother's been dying in front of me. Yeah, last night my brothers just died because some people just telling me, hey, you ain't cool, bro. Just remember, you are just not black. It's not about the black. It's not about the white. It's all about the wrong and right. If you bring a gun, it's not that you are black. It's you are just. I spent a weekend catching up on the news. A girl committed suicide because she was bullied in school because few dude told that she was black, because it's not about the color, it's all about the fact. Just see, you can be anything. I'm ANIKT. I can say just
Time
same.
up.
Yeah.
45 seconds.
Thank you so much. Next we have Raju. Raju, you're up.
One moment. सबको फंसाया, सबको हराया, इसको कहते हैं सब लोग कोरोना। डॉक्टर्स ने किया सब।
Let's go, let's go. Not bad. You still have a few seconds to go, Raju. Let's go. Let's go,
Okay,
let's go. Okay.
Thank you, Rajul. So next we have Karan Khetan. Karan, you selected the number 8. So your topic is chemistry. Now that depends however you want to take chemistry. And we have Naman Praveen Jain. You selected the number 4. So your topic is frustration. Suhani, timer.
Your time starts now. Okay, time up.
Okay, Karan, you're up.
क्या चीज है केमिस्ट्री? केमिस्ट्री ने हमें क्या नहीं दिया है, सब सब अलग अलग चीज़ों का सुख दिया है। हर जगह केमिस्ट्री, कोरोना की वैक्सीन में केमिस्ट्री, हर जगह केमिस्ट्री। केमिस्ट्री से हम लोग बनाएंगे कोरोना वायरस की वैक्सीन। जाएंगे बाहर वापस आज़ादी किनारे लगाएंगे। कोरोना से आज़ाद देश मिलेगा, हम तक सुखी और चैन चाहिए कि केमिस्ट्री इज ऑल अबाउट केमिस्ट्री।
All right, let's go. Up next.
Naman,
Oh
you're
yes,
up.
frustration. फ्रस्ट्रेट हो रहे सब है, आंसू ज्यादा खुशी यहाँ कम है। जाने कैसे निकले इस जाल से, ये जाल हमने बनाया, हमने है बुना, लोगों की बातें हमने है सुना। अब बारी है खुल के जीते हैं, ये गम को भी पीते हैं। Okay. Done.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Good try, bro.
So,
Good try.
so we have last 3 contestants left. So we'll give them 45 seconds together. Sanchi, Sheel, and Shlok. So Sanchi, you selected 1. The topic is travel. Sheel, you selected 18. Your topic is society. And Shlok, you selected 7. So your topic is discomfort. Suhani, timer.
The time starts now. Okay, time up.
Sanchi, you're up.
Let's go. MC in the house.
Okay, I think I'm really amateur in freestyle, guys. So I've written like 2 bars. I'll tell it. Okay. ट्रेन कार बस सब रो रहे, घर ट्रेन कार बस सब सो रहे, घर पे बैठे हम रो रहे। 6 months travel took a leave. Let's all stop being mean. Let's all go out after a while and give them a chance, because let's all get in the rain and dance. Yeah, so okay, thank you guys.
You know, guys, I need to
Okay.
tell you, like, it's not like, like, okay, she's a female, so, I'm just hooting out for her. But, you have a good flow, bro. I don't know whether, the results will decide whether you qualify for the next round or not. But yeah, I would say you have an amazing flow, bro. Keep up with the flow.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, Sheel, you're up next.
Hello guys. Hello. Hi. Yeah, so society, right? This one's in Hindi, by the way. So, society या समाज सारे एक ही है। समाज बोले मुझको क्या करना है, मैंने जो सोचा बस क्यों डरना है। जो भी लिखूं वो तो मैं बोलूंगा, क्यों करते हैं भेदभाव। किस्मत का नहीं हालत से मजबूर, क्यों करते भेदभाव। चलना है समझाओ, अब लाना है बदलाव। करते हैं क्यों करते हैं भेदभाव। Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Sheel.
Let's
Next,
go.
we have Shlok. Shlok?
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, so hold on. My top. Could you see me?
Yeah.
So my topic is discomfort. I was unable to come up with a lot of stuff, but something I know. Word up, discomfort I face when someone trying to confront, telling me to stop rapping, letting my story remain unsung. I have gone through moments when people say you look like a thug. It causes so much tension. I want to squash him like a bug. The art is a piece. It gives me peace, which helps me release and get off this with ease. Yeah, that's much I've written.
Good job, bro.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So that completes round 2. And since it's a face-off for round 3, we obviously need an even number. So currently we have 9 contestants, and it's up to Sir whether he wants to select a number of 4 or 6. He will decide that and let you all know.
All right. So, see, guys, to all my amazing rappers here, to all these MCs, आप लोग जितना भी आपने spit किया, जितने भी rounds आपने किया, you know, first of all, big ups to you, because the thing is that, you know, it's difficult to, you know, ठीक है, pre-written सबको ही कर लेता है. You guys at least tried freestyle, and that makes you a winner. That's the bottom line. All right, and you guys know that it's a battle. You guys know it's going to be a face-off, and you guys just came in. For most of you, this might be your first performance. For those who are even, you know, have done performances, you are here, and you are so committed for the freestyle, and you're so committed for the battle that, you know, like you gave your 100%. Now, of course, you all are winners, and in the end, this is a competition, and there have to be, you know, a few rappers which qualify to the next round. Okay, and for me, I'll go niche se, like from the last to the first. Here, I'm not talking about the point scoring. All right, I'm not talking about who has scored what, or I'm not taking out names, or I'm not calling out names according to your marks which have been given. Okay, it's just what you did, and it's just what I have got, what I heard of you. Okay, got it. I don't feel in this world anyone is so talented that that person can actually judge some other's talent. So this is only these half an hour what I have got you guys. Okay, so for me, your first which goes in there is, okay, see, firstly, in the pre-written round, there was someone who had, you know, spit 1 or 2 abusive words, and I don't know if you guys have just made a mark of it, and that's the reason, you know, you might be the best, but there had been rules which I had to go on with. So for now, I would like to go on with Shlok. All right, Shlok goes down to round number 3. Then I have Sheel going out to round number 3. Okay, I would like to give a chance to Sanchi to go on to round number 3. Again, I'm telling you, it's not because she is a female. All right, you can go on Google and search what type of rapper I am or what I do. So here is no gender bias, please. Okay. The only thing is that why not grow together in that case? So let's do that. Okay. And the last one which comes in here, okay, I would like to give, I thought it was a bit pre-written in the second round, but then too I would like to give it out for Aniket. Aniket, Ani जो है ना second performance किया था जिसने with the guitar. All right. Yeah, so I would like these 4 to qualify for round number 4. All the others, you have been amazing. You have been great. Let me tell you, your marks with me are cut to cut. And let me tell you that just because this is a competition, we want a few to go ahead. That's the thing. In the end, can we give it out to all these amazing performers? Yeah, come on, get your hands together. Thank you, guys. No hard feelings. If you don't follow me, you can block me directly on Instagram. If you did not like my decision, all cool with me. Okay. Okay. Let's go then. Okay. So as we go on for the face-off, Kashish, with the permission of you and your team, I can just explain them.
Sure, sir. It's up to you.
Okay. Thanks.
You
Yeah,
do
thanks.
whatever you want.
Thanks. You guys are all lit. The volunteers. Thanks for all the follow-up. Okay. So all you guys, so we have Shlok, Sheel, Sanchi. Oh, the best part is, you know, I can see them lined up next to my video. That's the best part. Okay. Aniket, can I see you here? Aniket, आप हो यहाँ पे?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा, please आपका video on कर दीजिए ना.
हाँ जी सर किया.
Okay. Sheil, can you turn on your video, please? Okay, bro. Thanks. Yeah. Okay. So what we do is right now, so we got to battle out each other. Okay. So you will, okay. Now suppose I'm battling with Sheil. Suppose. Okay. So one round will have 2 rounds together. One round will have 2 rounds together. For example, if at all Sheil is spitting first, okay, he will spit for 30 seconds. Got it? Then I will spit for 30 seconds. Okay. Then again, Sheil will spit for 30 seconds. Then I will spit for 30 seconds. Okay. One round will have 2 rounds. And after those 2 rounds, we would be having voting here. We would be having voting here. All those qualifying for the next round, all right, would have vote count here. Fair enough, guys? So then I am not held for the results. Sorted?
Okay.
Deal?
Okay. I had a doubt.
Sure.
Is it like a battle rap? Like
Yes, yes. Hanji.
like you know, healthily disrespecting your opponent. That one.
हेल्दी रखो, डिसरिस्पेक्ट ऐसा मत करो कि एफआईआर हो जाए यार.
अरे वैसा नहीं
हाँ हाँ बस
हाँ,
नहीं नहीं. I get it because you know you never know. Okay, so
Yeah.
I will just cut you if I feel the beef is not going good at the moment. So don't worry about it.
That's
Okay,
okay.
and I would request all of you to keep it on the spot. Like you can just play with the name, or I can see what's your like. Suppose if I have to battle you, if I have to battle Shlok, no hard feelings, bro. If I am doing that, okay. I don't know what's next, but I doubt on your sex. I know you're wearing specs, but shut the trap. I can see the white cap. What you talk about, you are got to be shy. Are you a girl having a butterfly? All right, so that can be a thing which you can just go along with, but just keep it on the face off. Don't come up with pre-written thing. Got it? Sorted? Okay. So now I would like to get along with Sheil, can you turn on your camera? Aman, can you turn on your sorry, not Aman, I'm my bad. Aniket, can you turn on your camera?
I have a doubt.
Sure, sure.
So can we have all of us be on unmute, and when we spit like one bar, people can be like, oh, or something, so that we get. I mean, this is my first like that, and I saw YouTube
you want the
videos.
feeling. You want the feeling.
Yeah, YouTube videos पे सब वैसे ही था, तो हम like, okay, ऐसे करेंगे तो ठीक है, हमको time मिलेगा थोड़ा भी सोचने के लिए. So like, if there's 2 lane and then that's great, and people oh and all of that, then.
माचा अपना प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना कि आप अगर रैप करेगा ना तो वो ओवरलैप हो जाएगा. Are you getting it?
तो इसके लिए मैं बोल रही हूँ, if you tell like 2 lines and then people, I probably wait for them to shout. That's the feel. So.
All right, so I don't have any problem if other contestants don't have any problem with that.
I don't.
Sheil, Aniket, Shlok, is that fine if all the others have their mics on, if they want to vote?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Sure?
Yeah.
All right, okay. I repeat, the decision of the round would go on with the vote count. Okay, so oh my God, we have 60 here. All right, so we would see who gets what. Ek aur baat, look at them, hear what they are spitting. Okay, don't go for a person being handsome or don't or beautiful or sorry, more gorgeous, or don't get along with ये मेरे कॉलेज का बंदा है, मैं इसको जानती हूँ, या ये लड़की है लड़का है. Listen to them what they are spitting and then give your vote. Sorted, guys. Don't be biased towards talent. All right, ठीक है. Sorted. So let's do this thing. That's how we do it in the style. Sure, sure.
Hello.
Yeah, Aniket.
हेलो सर, एक कंफ्यूजन था. हेलो.
हाँ बोलो ना अनिकेत.
सर थोड़ा सा भी वल्गर नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि ये बैटल है, तो बहुत ज्यादा फिर थोड़ा सा भी वल्गर नहीं जा सकते, थोड़ा भी लाइक कंट्रोल में हो तो.
अरे ब्रो, प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना, आप वल्गर जाओगे तो मुझे बैटल करना पड़ेगा फिर. ऐसा चीज हो जाए.
अरे नहीं सर, उतना वल्गर नहीं. एक्चुअली बैटल है ना, इट्स अ बैटल, तो एकदम बोलते ना एकदम शांत रहता है, तो थोड़ा बहुत क्योंकि ऐसा दिमाग में चलते रहता है खुराफाती, तो थोड़ा अगर अलाउ करते हैं, अदरवाइज इट्स ओके, वी कैन डू लाइक जो रूल्स है.
Sir, it's Ripudaman. I wasn't able to join the meeting. I just joined in.
We have already reached the final round, bro. All right, okay. Ripu.
Yes, sir.
We have already reached the final round, yeah.
I've been trying since so many
No,
times.
I understand, but we are already done with the rounds, and that's the issue. So we are here. We are just going to start the battle right now.
Okay.
That's the
Okay.
issue.
Cool,
Sorry,
sir.
bro.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. नहीं अनिकेत मेरे भाई वल्गर नहीं जाने का, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
With respect battle करने का, pride से pride करने का, okay? All right. क्योंकि देखिए HR कॉलेज वाले हैं ना, फिर पता नहीं क्या होगा, फिर I don't know then. ठीक है? इनको बहुत लॉ पता है, ओके? सो इसके लिए मैंने तो बोल दिया, देखो रिकॉर्ड भी हो रही है मीट. Sorted. So that's how we do it here in the street style. So I would request, okay, whose name did I call out last? आप चारों में से लास्ट किसका नाम बुलाया मैंने? अनिकेत. और फर्स्ट किसका बुलाया? श्लोक. Okay. So Shlok, sorry, Aniket, you have a choice to choose anyone to battle from these three.
Sir, can you repeat the names?
आपको चॉइस है ये तीनों में किसी से भी बैटल करने का. श्लोक है, शील है और सांची है.
Actually, श्लोक को ही ले आइए लास्ट पहला जो आपका था पहले से.
Okay, Shlok, ready? Sorted?
So hold on.
Sure,
I wanted
sure.
to ask. So he's basically spitting in Hindi. So do I need to go in the same language or
no? It's see, language has no bar. You can spit in any language: Hindi, English, Marathi, Gujarati. These are the four I understand, and I feel all these others understand too. So language is not a thing here. Okay, you can spit in any language until and unless it's understood by all of us. You can spit it in mixed language, bilingual, जैसा आप करना है करो. बस थोड़े तमीज से और कुछ नहीं. That's my whole thing. Sorted? Okay, so here I give a chance to Shlok to go second. Okay, as Aniket has got a chance to select the contestant here. All right. So Suhani, are you ready?
Yeah.
Can we give it out to Suhani, bro? She has been keeping the time since an hour now. Get your hands together, man. Come on, let's go.
Go, Suhani.
Go, Suhani.
Okay, Shlok, can I have you? Ready?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, your time starts.
रुको Suhani, रुको. Hold on. Okay. All right. First round number 1. All right. Well, guys, let's give it out. It's the final round. That's the face-off. Okay. So the rapper who qualifies in this round goes to the next round and would battle against the winner of Sanchi or Sheel. So right now, the first to spit on the roll, MC Aniket in the house. 30 seconds to go. Suhani, after 30 seconds, just ask him to stop.
Yeah.
Or just do anything or I'll make him stop. All right, let's go. Let's roll.
Okay, start.
Okay. Hello, dear friends. प्यारे जज को प्रणाम. Hello, dear friends. प्यारे जज को प्रणाम. Confidence मेरा नेचर, अनिकेत मेरा नाम. So भाई अब क्या बताओ? कांग्रेस का राहुल तू, मैं बीजेपी का मोदी. कांग्रेस का राहुल तू, मैं बीजेपी का मोदी. सीट तो तुझे मिलती नहीं, बैठेगा मेरे गोदी. खैर सुन, रैप मेरा शौक है और हाँ मैं इसमें रॉक है. मैं तो एक माल हूँ. रैप मेरा शौक है और मैं इसमें रॉक है. बेटा तू तो.
Okay. All right. Shlok, ready?
Yes.
Let's spit fire, bro. Let's go. 30 seconds.
Okay. तू बोला तू है मोदी, मैं बैठू तेरी गोदी. तेरे पास स्किल्स ही नहीं है, जाके रास्ते पे बैठ जा लेके कटोरी. आजा मेरे राइम सीख ले तू, मुझे स्पिट करना हर भाषा में आता है. और ऐसी दशा करूं कि ऐसी दशा करूं तेरी हर प्रजा और नस्ल को हताशा भी.
Come on.
Okay. मैं जैसे मैं स्पिट करूं. Oh shit.
Okay. No problem. Okay, let's go on with round number 2. That is Aniket spits again. Aniket, 30 seconds again. Let's go.
So kindly do not involve me.
No problem. No problem. Thank you. That's the reason I have kept everybody to go on for voting. not me getting inside. All right, guys, getting back to the mood, can we have this Femsi, Sanchi, and Sheel? And yeah, all right. Now, for me, let me tell you this. For me, this is the battle of the event. For me, this is the battle of the event, and that's my assumption. That's my take. So, Sheel, you have amazing hold over your bars. All right, Sanchi, you have got a good flow. So, all right. Requesting everybody to go on mute, please. All right. So, in this case, all right. So, who goes first? Who wants to go first? Sheel, Sanchi.
Guess it's me. I'm gonna
Can
be the
I?
ladies first.
Can I?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Okay. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll start. Okay.
Yep.
So,
Okay, start.
शील, तुझे देख के ना मुझे बहुत आ रही है दया. लगता है तू गलत कंपटीशन में आ गया. Okay, I thought okay. है दो आंखें पर दिखती नहीं इनको, क्योंकि इनसे ज्यादा मेरे रिकॉर्ड्स दिखती हैं. एंड मुझे तो लोग याद रखेंगे, जियो या मरू. तुझे तो रोज मैं YouTube की एड की तरह स्किप करूं. Yeah, I think that's all for the round.
Good punches on you, Sheel. How you got to spit it back? Let's go.
Yeah.
Start.
So, Sakshi, I'm sorry to diss you, but I guess I really missed that. I never really diss. I don't have pre-save stuff. I only write the OG shit. But girl, you are Powerpuff. You know, how do I diss when you flow so smooth, Can't even decide if you let you loot all my lyrics, loot all of them and use them against me. Let me see what you got. Let me see what you have against me. Because I don't really know you, but I know this. Man, you've gone too hard. You're going too fast. You're just too good, too flow. Yeah, that's why this. And wait. Hold a second. Is there time left? I've got a nice statement. Shit.
Too good,
Okay,
guys. Give it out. All right.
Okay, I think this is more of a non-diss or something, because you are praising me and I love Powerpuff Girls, first of all. So thank you, Sheel. And तुम ना मुझसे थोड़ा ज्ञान ले लो, क्योंकि दिनचक पूजा तो तुझसे अच्छा गाती है ब्रो. So चल बेटा, स्कूल बस आ गई. तू सोता रहे, मैं तो ऑलरेडी जीत गई. Thank you guys. That's all I have to say. Because I think आपको देखे मेरे को डिस नहीं आती ब्रो. I think I'll just go vomit then. Bye. So.
Okay. Burn. Sheel, let's drop it like it's hot, bro. Let's go.
Sachi, you're a girl, so I guess we already have a winner. So I don't think there's anything else to say. But I mean, you know what? I'm actually going to go school because I'm a kid. I'm a really small kid who loves to write, who's been writing since school and who's been spitting since school. And now I'm going to drool all over you so that you know how to drool, like how to mess up all that drool and take that in you so that you can spit better than me, because I can't really see that you're doing that anymore. And I guess that's going to be it. That's going to be it, man. Yeah.
Give it out. That was the battle, bro.
Yeah.
Amazing. Okay. No offenses to anybody, but it feels, you know, कि final जा रहे अभी. वो माहौल बना दिया तुम दोनों ने. Give it out, bro. Amazing, Sheel. Like if I wanted, मतलब मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि you know तीनों का battle हो जाए final में, but I can't do that. But I can't be biased. Okay, and I don't want to be supported by the president again if I say that तीनों का battle होगा final में. So, okay, we just have 2 more to go on ahead. Okay, so tough call. My vote goes for both of you. Okay, and all right. How many up for Sanchi? Go for her flow and what she is, not because what the gender she is. Let's be superlative and supportive. Okay, 60 में से I think एक 20-25 ने हाथ उठा दिए सांची के लिए. All right. Okay, how many for Sheel? Sheel. How many for Sheel?
Sir, myself. Can I count myself? Sanchi, are you for Sheel?
Absolutely not.
Sheel. Damn.
Guys, 1 minute. We need a count here. Kashish, can you give a count, please? This is for Sheel. Sanchi, can you just count in? Roma, just put in your vote there. Just raise your hand.
But there's a voting thing. Can we actually vote for ourselves?
No, of course not, bro.
No.
And you
Okay,
can't
it's like
even
an
go on-
election thing.
Don't tweet, yeah.
17.
17. So Sheel ke liye 17?
No, actually, my is also for Shield, but I'm not able to raise my hand.
Okay. Who's that?
Roma.
Roma. Okay. So Roma ko gin ke. Okay. Harshal. How many for Sheel then? 2 plus, like the count plus 2. Kashish, how many are those then? The count plus 2?
19. 19 according to me.
All right. So Sanchi needs 20. How many for Sanchi? Just have a count. This is for Sanchi. Okay. Just give a count. Please raise your hand in.
I can't raise my hand, so yeah, for Sanchi. Just count me in.
Okay, so plus 1. How many?
Guys, please raise your hand.
Raise your hand in the chat box. Okay, Rajul and Ishika. We have 2, 3. Karan also. We have 3 for Sanchi. मतलब plus 3. कितने हो गए?
That's 9.
9?
No, there are 17 people who have raised their hand.
Yeah. नहीं, I'm just seeing क्योंकि मेरे यहाँ पे ज़्यादा count बता रहा है.
It says 17, 18.
18 and plus 3, right? Roma, Ishika, and Karan.
Okay,
How
so
many?
you keep a count, okay? You keep a count.
All right. How many on the screen want to go on with Sanchi?
Can everyone please raise their hand again for Sachi?
Okay, so we have Karan, Rajul, and Ishika. Okay, plus 3.
18.
Wait, but Karan has already raised his hand and he's also raising his hand
There are
on the
total
screen.
18. Here
अगर आपने
showing
अगर हार्ट उठा दिया है तो
And
वो
guys, to raise your hand, you can just
करिए.
go on the participants tab and वहाँ पे more में जाके there's a raise hand option.
Yeah, please
I
do
think.
that.
there are 19 now.
19. That's a
19.
final count.
Yeah.
Sure. All right, guys. So, Sheel, you have to stay back here. Sanchi qualifies for the finals. But Sheel, let me tell you, this was like a final battle. All right, and I would say that.
Well played, man.
I would say that all had been good, but you had been something which this Lit Fest will always remember. Keep that in mind.
That's my pleasure. Thank you.
Much love, bro. Much love.
Thank you so
but
much.
You stay there.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah,
try
I'm
for
going to
EPL.
be here.
You stay there.
I actually wrote some stuff for Ani, but maybe I guess I'll send it to him on personal.
Okay, no problem.
I'll call him up, be like, yo, what's up? I wrote some stuff. But yeah, cool. Yeah.
Okay, so we have the next round is Shlok and Sanchi. All set, guys. So for the final round would be a 3-round thing. Okay, same 30 seconds each, but these would be 3 rounds altogether. Got it. And 1 round would be a punch round. The final round would be 1 punch round. I hope you guys know punches. Sanchi and Shlok. No? Shlok, punches pata hai aapko? Like 1 punch which burns, like you just said something like, you go to school, ya tu soja wala kinda thing, Sanchi. Something like that. Okay, as if, something like, something little like that. Those are the punches. Like 1 line and that makes you the winner. Sorted? All right, Sheel. I'm so sorry.
Can I have 5 minutes? Like at least
No,
3
5
minutes.
minutes. No.
Yeah,
no,
sir.
no. Sorry, bro. I just called out your name.
Oh, yeah.
My bad. Okay. All right. So up next we have Shlok and Sanchi. Shlok and Sanchi set. Say yes, Sanchi. Come on, say yes. Okay. All right. So, final round, a FMC versus a MC. I never thought, in this lockdown, there would be a final battle like this, FMC and MC all together for the final thing. And it's a feel let's give it out for HR Lit Fest, yeah, 2020. Get your hands together, bro. Come on. Thanks, guys, for having hip hop in here. Okay, otherwise, we are just called for pro shows without any add on to it. But thank you for involving this as an event. Okay, so here I would give a chance to Shlok to go first. All right, in that case, and Sanchi goes out second. Or you want to go on for a toss? Unmute kar do, Shlok.
I'm good with anything, whatever Sanchi
Anything?
says. Yeah.
Sanchi, anything? Or you want a toss?
No, I'll go second.
Acha, you go second. Okay, you want to be safe in that case, right?
Yeah, probably I can search for something to this.
Don't search. Are you Googling?
Search as in from what he says.
Okay. Fine. Chalo, Shlok bro, ready? Sorted. All right. Okay, Suhani. So we have 3 rounds now. The same earlier we had 2 rounds. We have 3 rounds now. The final round would be a punchline round where you give out a punch, 1 line, and finish off.
So it doesn't mean I need to rhyme with that line. Just one line.
On you. Matlab, it's on you. Matlab, aapke upar hai wo. If you feel that's the line which would make you the winner or kill the person in front of you, then that's all what you have got. Sorted? Okay, Suhani ready? Shlok ready? Well, guys, final round. Mic drop. Lit Fest. Kafi Lit 2020. HR it is. Let's go.
Yo, 2020. It's Shlok. I'm gonna spit. My spits covers land more than Nile. So I'm gonna impose these bars on you like a crime. And you're gonna turn senile. And when you'd rather don't spit, you swallow and swallow this phenyl, because you gotta cleanse yourself and your skills. You're like a platypus who has a long bill, who wants to chirp a lot, but you don't know. I'm gonna spit.
Okay. 30 seconds to kill Sanchi. Let's go. Suhani.
Okay, so okay, you said I swallow. So I swallow, you keep chewing like a cow. And Shlok, क्या बताऊं अब तेरा देखा नहीं जा रहा तेरा चेहरा चल बे चेन्नई की लड़की आई हटना. Thank you. I think I'm good for the round. So.
Does she still have time?
She has 10 seconds.
10 second silence for Shlok losing. Thank you.
Okay. Burn. Okay, Shlok. Okay. Round number 2. Shlok, let's go.
मैं हूँ skills के साथ gifted. तुझे मिला है ये as dowry. Okay, तुझे मिला है as dowry. Howdy, you're gonna be a rowdy. Talk more, yeah. Go yip yap. But this is the last time you're gonna rap. This is the battle rap, which is gonna put a cover on you. It's gonna end your career, and you're gonna have an end. It's like a WARP rap. So get that bar clear in your head, because when I sped, even Yatindra sir said.
Okay. Good try.
I'm a rowdy. Okay, I'm a rowdy, and I think I'll kidnap you and probably like not even call your parents, because I'll be like, वैसे भी waste है, कचरा पे डाल दूँ. And then है 4 आंखें पर क्यों नहीं देख रहा है, मैं already जीत रही हूँ बेटा, जाके सो जा, बिस्तर लाओ क्या? And I think that's all.
Okay, so the final round yours go on with the punchline. Shlok, 1 line, all right, which would make you the winner. Drop it like it's hot, bro. Let's go.
Okay. Check it. Yo. You are not a porcupine, but you still are a prick. I still rock the shows, but you can't even hit me with a brick.
Okay, Sanchi, let's burn.
श्लोक उपा दिए या बाकी बार में जाके करना या क्योंकि ऑलरेडी मैं जीत चुकी हूँ भाई। बैठ जाना, क्यों क्यों खास रहा है? कोरोना आ गया क्या? थैंक यू।
Okay, give it out for the final round, guys. Come on. Final round. 3 rounds they got to burn. Put the lit fest to more lit in here. All right, so before we go on to know who's the winner and who's not, all right, thank you, HR Lit Fest, for having me in here. All right, and I hope you guys, all of you, keep supporting hip hop. I hope you guys actually support each other's work. If you don't like anything, it's okay. Learn about cringe. If you can support Dinchak Pooja, you can support everybody out here because she is talented, we are talented. And let's make content together and let's grow together in this digitalized world. All right. Can we all, along with the contestants, give it out to this amazing team of HR Litfest 2020? Yeah. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Okay, so it's round for it's the result time. Okay, so let's go on with okay, I'll battle with the winner. Somebody has been asking about spitting bars. I'll battle with the winner, don't worry. Okay, so whoever the winner is, because let's have some fun then, kyunki already we are with the time. And so okay, so how many of you go on with Sanchi? Raise your hand. Just raise your hand on the screen. Not sorry, not on the screen. In that box, आपके नाम के बाजू में. Not on the screen. Don't raise the hand on the screen. Not on the screen, just there. Roma, I'm sorry again, because that creates confusion. And if somebody can count it out from the team.
Okay, until everybody is counting, I would like to say that I started rapping from when Gully Boy released. So, and that's when I got inspiration. So if I can do, like, then anybody can do, if you guys are hesitating. So I just wanted to say that.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. So is that the final count? That's what we feel? Okay. Please call out the names of first runner-up and second runner-up too while announcing winners. Okay. No problem in that. Sure, Kashish. I will do that. Okay. So can we have a word count for these? How many are there? Anyone from the team?
So 19 hands have been raised.
19. All right. So
Actually,
19.
I'm not able to raise my hand. My vote is for Sanchi.
Okay, so plus one,
That
that's
makes it 20.
20.
20.
So 20 is nil
Okay,
count.
anyone who
All
cannot
right.
raise their hand.
Yeah, me, Roma. 21.
Okay, 21.
Okay, the
And
count is
Candice. Okay.
22.
Candice, 22. Okay. All right. So up next for Shlok, how many people want to go in for Shlok? Raise your hand, please, for Shlok. How many in for Shlok? Okay. Are these the same hands or new hands are up?
New hands.
Okay. Can you give a count?
14.
14. Anyone?
15.
Divya,
15.
count me, na. I can't raise my hand.
Okay, 16.
16. Okay.
Okay.
21 and 16. Okay. Any more in?
Anyone unmute? 16
Okay.
tick tick 1. 16 tick tick 2.
Can I vote for both of
16
them?
No.
So she's asking for both.
There might be people who have voted for both of them, yeah?
Yeah, so my vote is also for Shlok.
And 17.
Okay. How many does Sanchi has? 21, I guess.
21. 22.
Okay. Last 10 seconds.
22.
Anybody wants to go on with Shlok? Okay. All right, guys. So give it out for the winner of Mic Drop Litfest HR Pole 2020. Sanchi.
Go
Okay, Sanchi's
Sanchi.
family is here. Okay.
Where is Sanchi?
Okay.
So
Can we give it out for the first runner-up, Shlok? Get your hands
Go
together.
Shlok.
Much love, bro.
Go Shlok.
And the second runner-up, we have 3 prizes, right? If I'm not wrong, just
Right,
correct.
right.
Okay. And then comes in Sheel.
Go Sheel.
Give it out for Sheel.
Steel boy.
All right. Sheel, third prize, bro.
वो चला है क्या?
Yes, no.
Okay. All right. Chalo. So it's time now. Let's have some bars. Sanchi, got to battle me? You should not have your mom beside you. Okay, she has gone. Okay. All right, Sanchi, come on, spit. Just unmute.
Sanchi, you're on mute.
No offenses, bro. All good with me. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm good with anything. Thank you for the first place, guys. I really means a lot. I can give a speech. Thank you.
Just battle with me right now.
Bye. What?
No. See, that's a fun part. That's a fun part. All right, let's go.
Why don't you start?
You start, I'll do it. Don't worry. Go on. All cool with me? Just go on. Just 1 minute flow, bro.
Like, should I give you respect, like as in bhaiya and all of that? Or can I call you
No,
by
it's
name?
all good. All good. No. Call my name. Call me Yatin,
Okay.
MC Yatin. That's fine.
Yatin.
That's all good.
Okay. MC Yatin in the scene, in the house. Just like your wall, your life is also yellow, bro. Because like my doll is a minion, and I don't think any difference I can see in both of you is a minion. Like, you look like a minion to me. Is your kuti because I'm talking Tamil. You're small because you're just like, you don't even count for me. You're just like bottom. I can walk up on you, and I probably meet you in the future or something, and we can battle I can beat you in the competition. So yeah, see you there, man. And the
All right.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
All right. Okay. So this is what you got to say. I'm from Mumbai, bro. Where is CSK? Tula ओळखलं नाही कोणी. Do you want me to be your Dhoni? मन करे है तुझे पकड़ के फोड़ू, but bro, it's all about love. Let's dance on whistle पोड़ू. I know that.
और एक बात.
हाँ
और
जी.
एक बात. आपकी wall भी yellow है, so you can't talk about CSK, bro. Please.
बेटा face पे glow है ना. Yellow तो चांद भी होता है. All right.
Oh,
the next step what comes up is, like, see, just a suggestion to all you amazing guys out here. When you are battling, just be with the subject. Just be what's going on. See what new things as you have. For example, she is from Chennai, so you would have spoken from where you are, and that would have got more of people in together. I'm not any rapper who has got the verified tag, but with the experience, I can just tell you, everybody can rap, everybody can battle. Just be with the subject. Got it? And that is how we can do it. Like, for example, you're from Chennai, and I can be like, like you have been talking in Tamil, and I talk in Marathi. I ask you, ikde ye khali vakre. A Chennai getting scared to me like I'm Mr. Raj Thakre. All right, so something like that can come up. Likewise, you don't need to diss anybody. You don't need to comment anything ugly. That's all. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for all these amazing rappers out here along with the team. All right, guys. Much love. God bless you all. Thank you, HR Litfest 2020. You guys are kafi lit, bro. Thank you. Looking off for the day. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Mr. Yatin. This environment that you've created is anything but formal, but I still need to give a formal vote of thanks from the bottom of my heart. So it gives me immense pleasure to deliver this vote of thanks for this event to everyone assembled here. The performances were just each one better than the other, and I think more than the cutthroat competition, it was the fun we all had in these 2 hours which matters. So congratulations to all the participants, but more importantly, congratulations to all the rap lovers who performed on the national platform for the first time. See, winning is not everything, but making the effort to win is. I would like to thank our judge, the coolest MC Yatin, जिन्होंने इस function में 4 चांद लगा दिए, as we say in Hindi. Thank you to our audience for their time, and we hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.
Thanks, guys. Happy Saturday. Much love to everybody. God bless you all. Keep rapping, be with the beats, and go with the flow, guys. Thank you.
Happy weekend, sir. Nice
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I got to learn a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you for conducting.
Thank you.
ये सब में मन ही नहीं कर रहा बोले क्या करूं मैं लड़के छोड़
Okay, everyone. Thank you so much. Yes, you want to say something, Sheil?
No, I guess Ani was trying to diss somebody.